What's up, guys? Today we're heading up to Gate City, Virginia, to pick up a 70s model CJ-5. It's kind of sight unseen. I've just seen a few photos of it, so hopefully it's half decent when I get up there for the price I'm giving for this thing. But we're going to U-Haul, pick up a trailer, and then we'll be on the road up there. This is it. Last tagged in '99. The story on the Jeep is the old man that bought it for a project about 3 years ago, and before that another old man had it on his farm. He just used it to put around the farm on, everything like that. He says the miles are original, 77,000 miles on it. He said those are the original miles. They're even on the title as well. So that's pretty cool. And surprisingly, this frame's just a lot of surface rust. It's very solid. I don't see any holes yet, which is pretty rare. Usually when I get these things, I got holes somewhere on the frame or the bodies, or the tub mainly, ate all to hell. So let me show around on this thing. It's got a 258 inline on this one. It's really windy up here and we're stuffy. Cold weather is kind of kicking our ass up here on this hill. It's got a 258. I don't think we'll have a problem getting this thing to fire. This morning's been a mess, so I wasn't able to get a trailer. So I'm gonna have to come back and grab it another day. Old 70s model CJ-5. $77,000 original miles on it. One other thing, the old man told us that the guy put a new tank on it, and by God, that's a new tank all right. Look how clean that thing is. Brand new tank on it. That's wild. That's a first for me. Well, it looks like I won't have to buy a tank for it, or I'll sell it and whoever gets it won't have to buy a tank for it. That'll help me with getting this thing started. Hopefully there's nothing in it really. He said he's had it 3 years. Gas wouldn't be that old. So. Hope y'all enjoyed the short clip of me going picking up this CJ-5. I think it might be a Golden Eagle. I'm not sure. I got to do a little bit more research on it. But the paint code so far has me going towards Golden Eagle. So if that is what it is, then it'd be pretty cool. The hood got real sun bleached. So if it was, there's no way to really tell. It's got 77,000 original miles. It's a 2-owner Jeep. The old man bought it from another old man that used it on their farm, and that's where it stayed its whole life. Definitely needs a little restoration, but it's pretty solid for the most part. They put a brand new gas tank on it, and that helps a lot. And the other clip was me selling my Jeep Sahara. I needed to get some cash up to restore this CJ-5, and I also picked up a Chevy van. It's a Chevy Corvair Greenbrier. They were built to compete with the VWs. So watch for a clip of that once I'm able to finally get over to it. Snow right now has me limited on getting that thing out because it's on a hillside. And I got to pull it out of a yard. It'll make a mess. So I have to wait a little bit. When the snow melts, we get some warm days, I'll be able to get a hold of it and get some video footage on that thing. So if you haven't hit the like and subscribe yet, please do that. And I'll have some updated videos here soon on the CJ-5. I'm getting ready to go actually pick it up and bring it home next week. So I guess if I don't lag and get lazy, I should have this video out pretty soon. But just tap that bell and notifications pop up when I'm able to get these videos out. So I'll see you guys next time.